So we are now on the 21st floor and this is my apartment. Ayan, so the first thing na makikita ninyo is yung ating welcome na mat. Ayan, so this is how my apartment looks like sa loob. So isa sa mga gusto ko dito sa aking apartment is itong pinaka main switch na ito. So if you will turn this on, most of the lights will actually turn on. Ayan. So very useful ito kasi diba sometimes when we go outside, pagpapasok na ako sa work, minsan nakalimutan kong patayin yung ilaw sa kwarto or sa kusina. Then ang kailan ko na lang gawin is actually press this. Ayan. O, diba? So hindi ko na kailangang isa-isahin na patayin yung ilaw dito sa loob ng apartment. Ito na lang ang kailangan kong patayin. Ayan. So, we are now here sa aking apartment. As you can see, this is a 3-bedroom apartment. Isang room doon. And we've got the second room and the third room. So, pagpasok ninyo, we've got our intercom. So, pag magpapadeliver ng food, ayan, hindi sila makakapasok or yung delivery rider, hindi sila makakapasok doon sa pinaka main door sa baba. Ayan, ganyan yung kanyang itsura. So we can talk to them. So if yung delivery rider yung nandyan, I will just simply press ito, may button dyan and mag-open yung door sa baba. Ayan, so yan yung ating intercom. Next is ito. Unahin muna natin itong first room na ito. And magugulat kayo kung ano yung nandito sa loob. So, ayan. Ganito yung itsura ng room na ito kasi it's my storage room. So, as you know, I have 3 bedrooms. Pero itong isang room na to, I decided na i-convert na lang siya into a storage room. Kasi talaga ang daming gamit nung landlord. Itong mga ito, gamit ito ng mga landlord and ayoko siyang ilagay sa bedroom ko. Ayoko rin naman siyang ilagay sa living room and sa other parts ng apartment. Kaya I decided na ilagay na lang sila dito lahat. So this one is a cabinet. Nandito yung mga damit na nagamit ko na, mga dirty clothes na one time ko pa lang naman na nagamit. So, pwede ko pa siyang gamitin ulit, diba? This one is actually a bed frame. Ayan, so talagang pinatayo ko na lang siyang ganyan para magkasya lahat. Kasi ito yung original bed dito sa room na ito, pero ayoko siyang gamitin. And this is another bed. As you can see, diba, talagang very old na, sira-sira na. Ito yung bed nung pinaka-landlord dito, or yung landlord nung apartment ko. And ayoko siyang gamitin. Ginamit ko yung bed na provide nung aking employer. Kaya ang ending, ayan, tinambak ko na lang siya dito sa storage room. So again, we've got lots of cabinets. So lahat ng gamit ko na hindi ko nagagamit, nilalagay ko sila dito. Nandito rin yung aking gardening, yung mga soil mix. Mahilig kasi ako mag-garden. Kaya nandito lahat yung mga in-order ko sa online. Nandito sila. Some of the things na ginagamit ko sa school. Ayan, so this one is for my giveaway sa aking mga students. So, basically dito sa first floor, there's really nothing to see. Talagang mukha siyang messing tignan. Makalat. Nandyan yung mga shoes ko rin. But anyway, this is just a storage room. And most of the time, wala naman akong bisita kaya okay lang. And ayan, pag naka-close na siya, okay siyang tignan, diba? So, malinis or maayos siyang tignan. So, next, pumunta naman tayo dito sa aking second room. This is the same lang doon sa kabila. So, kumbaga, pag doon sa kabila, maayos siya or pag tinanggal mo yung gamit, it would actually looks like this. Ayan. So, this one is my guest room. I often call it as the executive suite. Kasi yung mga workmates ko or kaibigan sometimes pumupunta sila dito sa apartment and dito sila nagstay. Ayan. So instead na bayad sila sa hotel, dito na lang sila sa akin nagstay for free, diba? So nandito yung mga ibang gamit ko. So this one is actually a souvenir from Vietnam. Ayan, so talagang binyahe ko yan. This one is another souvenir from Inner Mongolia. Dinidisplay ko talaga dyan. Right next to it is we've got this study table then. So ito mga to provided na to ng mga nung landlord talaga. And I seldom use this actually. And this is the view dito sa likod na part. Ayan. So it's a cloudy day dito ngayon in China, and this is my view dito sa likod every day. So yung nakikita nyo dyan, that's actually a railway. So pag wala akong ginagawa, I'm bored, if I'm just drinking coffee, madalas tumatambi ako dito sa kwarto na to kasi I love watching yung mga trains ng China na dumadaan dyan. And here, yan. So as you can see, ganyan ang itsura ng mga kalsada nila dito sa China. It's so organized, it's so clean. We have that kind of basketball court and other kinds of court for free. So I can use that anytime. And here in front, ongoing yung ginagawang bagong mall actually, and that's actually a new apartment complex. Ayan. And I also wanted to show you that one kasi yung view na yan, that's actually a bridge in an open sea. So talagang dagat na yan, and China was able to build a bridge, a very long bridge dyan. So I also like my location kasi sobrang lapit ko lang sa Qingdao North Railway Station. Ayan, so it's just siguro mga 5 minutes away lang ako. Pag magta-taxi ako, nandyan na ako agad sa railway station nila. So just imagine how big yung kanilang railway station. So dito, I have got another cabinet. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga binigay sa akin ng aking mga students. Let me zoom it out for you. Oh, yung Christmas, birthday, ito binigay sa akin to nung birthday ko. So hanggang sa likod yan. And meron pa dun sa aking kwarto. So nandito rin yung aking mga luggage. Kaya lahat ng mga gamit ko is nakatago. Kaya mukhang malinis yung apartment ko kasi nga lahat ng mga gamit ko na hindi nagagamit is nakatago talaga. So ganito yung bedroom. It's very simple lang actually. And so let's go sa next na room. So from here, yan ang view. That's my living room. That's my dining room. That's my living room. Ganyan lang kasimple yung aking apartment. So next, pumunta muna tayo sa aking kitchen. So gustong-gusto ko rin tong parang glass na to. Kitang-kita mo pag nagluluto or may tao sa loob. Ganyan. So here, of course, my fridge. As you can see, ito yung mga collection ko ng mga ref magnets na napuntahan ko habang nandito ako sa China. So hindi siya complete, pero ito yung pinaka-recent na I have right now. So ito lang yung aking kitchen. It's very simple. May mga modular cabinets tayo dyan. Some of my groceries. Meron rin tayo dyan sa baba. Mga groceries. Mga lalagyan ng plato nandito. So mahilig ako magbisita. Kaya I have parang 6 sets of parang ganito. Mga glass, mga plato, ganyan. Kompleto ako kasi mahilig magluto. Yung mga kaworkan ko na Pinoy din pag nandito sila sa aking apartment. So, I have here yung ating heater. Yan, very useful ito, especially pag winter kasi sobrang lamig ng tubig. So, pag naka-on yan, yung buong apartment naka-heater siya. Yung tubig is naka-heater siya. We have yung sink. And I also wanted to show this to you kasi sobrang effective ito sa pagtanggal ng mga oil or grease dito. Ayan. So, sometimes sobrang hirap talagang tanggalin yung mga dumidikit-dikit dito na mga mantika. But then, if you're going to use this one, talagang sobrang dali niyang tanggalin. Lifesaver kaya dito sa aking kitchen. Although, hindi naman ako mahilig magluto. I've got a microwave, toaster, and I've got my fridge. And by the way, nakaano kami dito, centralize yung aming gas. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura. And I think it's prepaid. But later on, I will mention kung magkano nga ba yung binabayaran natin sa bills, sa gas, and sa internet. Ayan, modular cabinets, may range hood tayo dyan, and the fridge. And from here, ayan, so that's the main door. This is the area where I eat, my dining area. Very simple lang siya. So this one is talagang nandito na siya, provided na siya no landlord. And from this, we've got yung ating living room area. So, dati, itong parang TV rack natin at saka yung TV set natin is nandun siya sa area na yun. But I realized na, I decided na i-move na lang siya dito kasi hindi ko naman ginagamit yung TV na yan. So, pagpasok mo ng apartment, you've got that mirror. Ayan, may orasan tayo doon. And this one, naging empty na lang siya kasi I have a projector and sometimes I just prefer to watch something dito with my friends. Kaya mas magandang empty na lang siyang ganyan, diba? Para pag nakaupo kami dito, oh, diba may projector tayo dyan. So from here, my plants, my lovely plants. Ayan. I like growing plants, by the way. So we've got an air conditioner, especially pag summer. Sobrang init dito pag summer. Parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang. Kaya they've got an air conditioner. Yung aking sofa. Yan. So provided lahat yan nung landlord except syempre yung mga throw pillows na ganito. Ako nang nag-provide ng mga yan. So lahat ng plants sa akin yan. Binili ko yan. And even that, parang plant rack sa likod sa akin lahat yan. So in any case na I will be moving to another apartment, dadalhin ko lahat yan sa aking next na apartment. So we've got this center table. Pag may mga okasyon, dito namin nilalatag yung food namin. And yan, dyan kami nagpipicture most of the time. And para sa favorite na part ko ng apartment, this is my balcony area. Ayan. So, medyo makalat siya ngayon. May plant rack ako doon. And my succulents. May collection of succulents. And by the way, I have a different channel. It's called Desert Succulent. And if you're interested in growing succulents and plants, you can simply visit our other YouTube channel. So actually, that is my very first. Yun yung pinaka-main na YouTube channel natin before we had this Lone Traveler channel. Ayan, so you can visit that channel. And the view here is like this. Ayan. So, we are on the 21st floor. As you can see, this is my community, my neighborhood. Sobrang laki nitong community ko. Actually, from doon, block 1 yun. Nasa block 2 tayo ngayon. And then, hindi na yata makikita dito. But then, block 3 and block 4, doon pa siya. Hanggang doon. Ayan yung boundary. Paikot siyang ganyan. So, sobrang relaxing pag nandito ako. That's the reason why I love growing plants and succulents, especially during day offs. Wala tayong magawa, kaya nandito lang tayo. Nag-garden. So, yung sampayan pala natin is nandito sa taas. But I seldom use this kasi ayoko na matakpan yung aking mga plants. Kaya most of the time after ko maglaba, nilalagay ko siya doon sa ating executive room. Doon sa second na room. Doon ko siya nilalagay. Doon ako nagpapatayo ng damit. Kasi sobrang hangin dito sa 21st floor. And so, kahit hindi sila naarawan, pag nahanginan, okay na siya. From the balcony, ganito yung itsura ng aking apartment. And by the way, akin yan. Binili ko yan. Pinalitan ko yung original na ilaw dito kasi medyo dim na siya. And so, paglilipat ako ng ibang apartment, kukunin ko ito. Ayan. So, dito sa China pwede mong ipagawa lahat. And by the way, after 2 months, in 2 months time in August, I will be moving to another apartment. Kaya hindi ko na talaga masyadong inaayos yung aking apartment. As long as livable siya and maaliwalas, malinis, okay na yun. Kasi paglilipat tayo sa ibang apartment, dadalhin natin lahat ng gamit natin. And yun yung something na ipapakita ko sa inyo next time kung paano yung maglipat bahay dito sa China. Ayan. Next is dito sa area na to. This is the master's bedroom. Ito yung pinaka main na kwarto ko. This is the toilet and bath. And in front of it is, ayan, yung ating parang sink and washroom, ganyan. And itong napakalaki na mirror, ayan. And some of my personal things, nandyan lahat yan. And ito yung kanilang toilet and bath. So, ayan, very simple lang actually itong aking toilet and bath. And ito, ang gamit niyan is actually, it's like a heater. Kasi pag winter, malamig. And pag nagliligo ka, kahit na naka-heater yung tubig, you feel really cold. Kaya, ayan. You need to turn that on. So, sobrang init. Para kang nasa sauna pag naka-on yan. And syempre, may exhaust din. Diyan. So, i-off muna natin. Yan yung purpose niyan. And here we have yung aking washing machine. Ayan. And by the way pala, centralize yung heater dito sa aking apartment. So, pag winter, naka-on ito and yung buong flooring natin is naka-heater siya. So, kahit na negative degrees sa labas, it won't really feel cold dito sa loob. Parang summer pa din dito sa loob. So, for example, below 0 sa labas, pero dito sa loob ng apartment nasa 20 to 25 degrees Celsius yung temperature. Ayan. Ayan. So, let's go to my bedroom. Ganito yung aking bedroom. And ito yung pinakamalaking room dito sa aking apartment. Ayan, so as you enter, mayroon tayo ditong parang cabinets. And it is where I put, syempre, yung aking mga clothes. Ano siya, parang floor to ceiling siya na cabinet, kaya sobrang spacious siya. I've got drawers. We have a lot of spaces there. Doon, hanggang doon pa sa taas. Pero syempre, wala naman na tayo masyadong gamit. Kaya ganyan lang siya. So from here, makikita ninyo, I've got a wallpaper doon sa likod. Hindi ko siya dinikit talaga kasi I know na it's just temporary. After some time talaga, or pag nag-end yung contract ko, I need to move to another apartment. And syempre pag naka-fix yan and nakadikit, hindi natin siya makukuha. And at the same time, baka magalit yung landlord. So, hindi yan nakadikit. Actually, ano lang siya. Yun lang. Parang nakapin lang siya sa pinakataas. Pero hindi ko siya dinikit. So yung wall niya, original wall niya is ganito. But then, I just wanted to have an accent wall dito sa aking bedroom. Kaya nilagay ko yan. And it comes in different designs and colors. So pag nagsawa na ako dyan, I can easily change it. Ito yung bedroom na provided ng aking employer. So this one is comfortable, tapos white lang siya, very simple. Kaya ito yung bed na nilagay ko dito. And yung original bed, yun yung nilagay ko doon sa storage room na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So, we have an air conditioner here sa aking bedroom kasi soon talagang sobrang init na. And this is my study table. Dito ako gumagawa ng aking work related na mga task. Ito yung computer ko. I've got here the projector and naka-project siya dyan sa wall. So, pag nandito tayo sa bedroom, ayan, ganyan yung ating view. And at night, dyan nakaproject yung screen if I wanted to watch a movie. Ganyan. So, this one is the curtain. Naka-close actually yung window kasi sobrang hangin today. Ayan. Pwede ko sa inyo. Let's try to open yung window. Ayan. Diba? Pag naka-open yan, hindi malamig dito sa, or hindi mainit dito sa loob ng aking kwarto. Pero pag summer, talagang kailangan na nating isara yan kasi mainit yung hangin and we need to turn on the air conditioner. Ayan. So, it's very relaxing after a day's work. Gusto mo na lang nga magpahinga. So, dito. Ang favorite na tambayan ko din. Ayan. So, again, it's a cloudy day. This is the view from my apartment. Same doon sa aking balcony area. We have the same view. And I have some plants here. Pero sobrang busy ko. Halos mamatay na yung mga plants natin. Pero dati pwedeng mag-ano dito eh. Dati nag-set up ako dyan ng parang cloth dyan. And dyan ako nagbabasa. Or minsan dyan ako humihiga. But then, syempre nakakatakot kasi this one is glass. Ayaw naman natin na may mangyari, diba? But this one is actually very, naman to. Matibay naman siya. Pero syempre, safety first. Kaya, I decided na tanggalin yung sinet up ko dyan na parang higaan. Kasi we'll never know. Baka pag makatulog ako, bigla akong bumaliktad doon. And we are on the 21st floor. Nakakatakot naman, diba? So, my bedroom, paglalabas ako, ayan, I've got the mirror dyan, may toilet tayo dyan, and then, the rooms, 1, 2, and our living room. So, before we end, I would like to let you know na itong apartment na to actually cost 3,500 RMB. So that's around 28 to 30,000 pesos a month. So depende kasi sa location yan. Yung location ko kasi is maganda as compared to the others. Kumbaga very convenient. May malls sa labas, may mga metro stations, bus stations, and even schools. Kaya mas pricier yung price dito sa location ko as compared sa mga ibang areas. And yun yung total cost nitong aking apartment. But I would also like to let you know na I'm not really paying anything. It's part of my contract. My employer is paying for the monthly rent of this apartment, and that includes yung electric bill, water bill, yung aking gas, and yung internet. So in other words, I'm not really paying anything, and I'm not really paying any single centavo dito nga sa aking apartment. So if you also wanted to work in China in the future, then i-grab nyo na yung opportunity kasi it's really one of those jobs abroad na talagang worth a try. So yun lang. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next vlogs.